monk. Monk nahi, the mocking monk. Well, today is 4th January and the winter is well set in. At 7, temperature in Kolkata is around 16 degree. There is sun and a little amount of fog. What a weather. Just right to go out. And what about going to a sea beach? Pitching a tent? Preparing a cup of coffee? Sleeping at night? And then get up with a refreshing morning in a small littoral forest. Appears dreamy, but that is exactly what I am going to do in this journey. I am heading to a less known beach called Dagara in Odisha. It is just 38 km from Jaleshwar and about 65 km from Baleshwar. Less known bridge. So let's head to... Well, this time I am not alone. I have with me Oreen Datta. I'll tell you who is she in the process later on. Let's start. We are taking Ma flyover from Science City near EM bypass. Ma flyover is an important connector of the city. It had two fringes, one from EM bypass to Park Circus, the other one from Circus Avenue to SSKM Hospital. Subsequently, both the fringes were connected, and once it is connected, it became the longest flyover of the state and second longest, second longest in the country, only after Visvesvaraya flyover of Lakshminagar Junction, Delhi. The length of this flyover is 9.2 kilometers. Yes, 9.2 kilometers seamless journey from East Kolkata to West Fringe of the Kolkata, and that's exactly what we are trying to do. We will be straightway landing near Vidyasagar Setu or the second Hooghly Bridge. Now we are boarding Vidyasagar Setu, also called the second Hooghly Bridge. This was inaugurated in February 1992, and this is the longest cable-stayed bridge in India. And in 1992, it costed more than 3,800 crore. Yes. Well, the most important part of this bridge is its clearance underneath, which is 26 meter or 85 feet. That's why quite a huge trawler or a ship can sail through or pass through the bridge. The length of the bridge is little less than a kilometer.
টানেল মতন
কত দাদা দাদা কত ও দাদা কত হ্যাঁ 10 ये फास्ट टैग है এটা দিয়ে দেখবে অটোমেটিক ডিডাকশন হবে and automatic it will allow বালেশ্বরের কাছাকাছি, বালেশ্বর না জলেশ্বর যাবো। লেফটে দেখা নাহলে After 210 kilometers, we got Jaleshwar, and from Jaleshwar, we took a left turn. I was apprehensive about the road, but road beyond Jaleshwar towards Dagara beach is no bad. It's fine. Okay, there is no divider, but the road is wide enough, and it's around 38 kilometers from here to Dagara beach, where we are going to pitch our tent. Let's see. Come along and enjoy. It was a Vishal bridge. Wow, long, প্রচুর। Parulia bridge over Subarnarekha. If you are coming for the first time, you can cross this bridge without stopping. So we would also like to stop here and enjoy the beauty of this river. Originating from a village near Ranchi, river Subarnarekha passes through Jharkhand, then West Bengal, Odisha, ultimately meets the Bay of Bengal. Subarnarekha means line or stream of gold. Actually, gold mine is there at the origin of this river. Some say Sona ugalti hui nadi Subarnarekha. Yes. Wow. Forest আছে। No topping on the road, so Dagara is a small village within the Tehsil of Beliapal and district Baleshwar.
This is also a hotel, I believe. Yes.
Only 1,000 odd
Manusa.
families. The main occupation of the villagers are cultivation and fishing. Total population is only around 5,000. But the beach is pristine.
Cooking arrangements for picnic.
More than cross-border tourists, this place is popular for day picnic by the locals. They come here in vehicle and these stalls provide everything required for picnic. Cooking gas, utensils, provisions, just everything that one may require to arrange picnic. And yes, sound box or loudspeaker to mark a picnic. The water line is about a kilometer away, but the beach is far and wide, backed by a wonderful dense casuarina forest. And that's the beauty of this beach.